Have you ever wondered how your sleep might be affecting your love life? As we get older, it's not uncommon to notice changes in both our sleep patterns and our sexual health. These changes can sometimes lead to questions and concerns. But what if I told you there's a fascinating link between the two? In this video, we're going to explore how the quality of your sleep can impact your sexual performance, especially if you're over 65. Now, you might be thinking, how does sleep really play a role in this? Well, it turns out that getting a good night's rest is more important than you might think. When you sleep well, your body has the chance to repair and rejuvenate itself, which can lead to better energy levels and mood. This, in turn, can have a positive effect on your intimate relationships. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, knowing that your sleep is contributing to a healthier love life. It's not just about feeling rested, it's about enhancing your overall well-being. And the best part? By understanding this connection, you can take steps to improve both your sleep and your intimate relationships. If you're curious about enhancing your well-being, make sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you and learn about your experiences. So let's dive in and discover how you can make the most of your golden years with better sleep and a more fulfilling love life. Let's dive into the fascinating connection between sleep and your sexual health. You might be surprised to learn just how much your sleep quality can impact your sexual performance. Let's start with REM sleep, which plays a crucial role in regulating hormones. During this deep sleep phase, your body works hard to balance hormones like testosterone and estrogen, which are vital for maintaining a healthy libido. If you're not getting enough REM sleep, it could lead to hormonal imbalances, affecting your sexual health. Now, let's talk about sleep apnea, a common sleep disorder that can significantly impact your libido. Sleep apnea disrupts your sleep cycle, leading to fatigue and decreased energy levels. This can make it challenging to feel interested in intimacy. If you suspect you have sleep apnea, it's essential to consult a sleep specialist. They can help you find solutions to improve your sleep quality and, in turn, your sexual health. Another important factor is the correlation between sleep duration and sexual satisfaction. Studies have shown that people who get a good night's sleep tend to report higher levels of sexual satisfaction. When you're well rested, you're more likely to feel energized and in the mood for intimacy. So, maintaining a regular sleep schedule can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your sexual health. Hormonal changes during sleep are another key aspect to consider. As you sleep, your body undergoes various hormonal shifts that can influence your sexual health. For instance, growth hormone levels increase during deep sleep, which can help with tissue repair and overall vitality. This, in turn, can positively affect your sexual performance. However, it's important to acknowledge the challenges. Ignoring sleep issues can lead to decreased libido, and sleep disorders may go undiagnosed for years. But don't worry, there are solutions. Consulting a sleep specialist can provide you with personalized advice and treatment options. Additionally, maintaining a regular sleep schedule can help regulate your body's internal clock, promoting better sleep and improved sexual health. Remember, sleep affects hormone levels, which directly influence your sexual health. So, taking steps to improve your sleep can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Have you noticed changes in your sleep affecting other areas of your life? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's dive into some common sleep disorders that can affect your sexual performance. As we age, sleep issues become more prevalent, and they can have a surprising impact on your energy and intimacy. One of the most common sleep disorders is insomnia. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, it can leave you feeling drained during the day. This lack of energy can directly affect your desire and performance in the bedroom. Another sleep disorder to be aware of is sleep apnea. This condition causes you to stop breathing momentarily during sleep, leading to frequent awakenings and daytime fatigue. If you're feeling constantly tired, it can be challenging to maintain a healthy sex life. Restless leg syndrome is another culprit. It causes uncomfortable sensations in your legs, making it hard to get a good night's rest. This disruption can also take a toll on your energy levels and, in turn, your sexual health. So, what should you watch for? Symptoms like persistent fatigue, loud snoring, or a restless feeling in your legs at night are red flags. If these sound familiar, it might be time to seek medical advice. Untreated sleep disorders can worsen over time and may even lead to strain in your relationships. But don't worry, there are solutions. For sleep apnea, a CPAP machine can be a game changer, helping you breathe better at night. Lifestyle changes like establishing a regular sleep schedule or reducing caffeine intake can also improve your sleep quality. Addressing these sleep issues can enhance your overall quality of life, including your sexual health. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to enjoy your day and your nights to the fullest. I remember a friend who struggled with sleep apnea. Once he started using a CPAP machine, he noticed a significant improvement in his energy and intimacy with his partner. It was a real turning point for him. Have you or someone you know dealt with sleep disorders? What helped? Comment below and share your experiences. Your insights could be just what someone else needs to hear. Remember, taking steps to improve your sleep can lead to a happier, healthier you. Improving your sleep can have a surprising impact on your intimacy. Let's explore some strategies to enhance your sleep quality and, in turn, boost your sexual health. First, consider creating a sleep-friendly environment. This means having a comfortable mattress that supports your body well. A good mattress can make a world of difference in how rested you feel. Also, think about the lighting and temperature in your bedroom. A dark, cool room can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine can also be beneficial. Simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching before bed can help calm your mind and prepare your body for a restful night. These techniques are great for managing stress, which is another key factor. Stress can significantly impact your sleep and, consequently, your intimacy. By managing stress effectively, you can improve both your sleep and your overall mood. Balancing your diet and exercise is another important aspect. Eating a balanced diet and staying active can help regulate your sleep patterns. Try to avoid heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep. Regular physical activity, even a daily walk, can help you sleep better and boost your energy levels, which positively affects your intimacy. However, it's important to be aware of potential challenges. Over-the-counter sleep aids might seem like a quick fix, but they can have side effects and aren't always the best solution. Instead, focus on making lifestyle changes, even though they require commitment. Developing a bedtime routine can be a simple yet effective way to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading a book, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath. If you're finding it difficult to improve your sleep on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. Sometimes a sleep specialist can provide insights and solutions tailored to your needs. Remember, better sleep leads to improved energy and mood, which can have a positive impact on your intimacy. So, what changes have you made to improve your sleep? Let us know in the comments. Isn't it fascinating how our bodies are like intricate puzzles, where each piece affects the others? Take sleep and sexual health, for example. They're more connected than you might think. When you get a good night's sleep, your body feels rejuvenated, and that can lead to better sexual performance. It's like watering a plant. When you nourish it, it blooms beautifully. But when sleep is lacking, it can be like trying to drive a car on an empty tank. You might feel sluggish, and that can impact your intimate moments. So, embracing a holistic approach to health can make a world of difference. Do you believe in looking at health as a whole picture? Share your thoughts. We've explored how sleep quality, common sleep disorders, and improving sleep can enhance sexual health. It's fascinating how something as simple as a good night's sleep can have such a profound impact on your life. When you sleep well, your body has the chance to repair and rejuvenate, which can lead to better energy levels and improved mood. This, in turn, can enhance your sexual performance and overall satisfaction. Think about it. When you're well rested, you're more likely to feel confident and engaged, which can make a big difference in your intimate relationships. If you're facing challenges with sleep, don't worry. There are practical steps you can take. Consider establishing a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading a book or listening to calming music. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bed, and try to keep a consistent sleep schedule. If sleep disorders are a concern, it might be helpful to consult with a healthcare professional. They can offer guidance tailored to your needs. Remember, improving your sleep isn't just about better nights, it's about better days too. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching. Remember, taking small steps towards better sleep can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Stay healthy and see you next time.